Do you have any students who struggle to take multiple choice exams on paper? Do you have students who need accommodations for when they're taking exams? Hi, my name is Rebecca Seiss, and today this video is going to be about creating a multiple choice exam using Google Forms. So Google Forms is a great tool to use and implement in your classroom, and also to have data for your exams that you administer for your students. So to create a Google Form exam, we will go right into Google, and you will type Google Forms. So Google Forms is going to be your very top link, and you'll click straight on there. And it brings you to their home page. So you'll click the blue box right down here where it says Go to Google Forms. And it takes you to all their different templates that they have. You can do a contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up. There's so many different things that you can use on Google Forms, but we'll just go ahead and start off with the basics and doing a multiple choice exam. And to do that, we'll click our blank box right here on our left side. Once we click it, it takes us straight into getting started. So right here where it says Entitled Form, that's where we will write our title of our exam. So my students are learning about hyperboles today, so we will go ahead and write down hyperbole exam. Under where it says form description, that is where you have the option to creating different directions that you want the students to follow while they're taking their exam, or writing an I can statement for your students. So I'm going to just write down the directions that I want the students to follow. So once you finish this, you are ready to get started. But before that, I recommend creating a way that students can write down their names, so that when you get their final product, you know exactly who the students are, and you know you're getting the correct person, and you're providing the correct grade for your students. So right here where it says Untitled Question, you will write please write your name. But before we do that, let's look on right here where it says multiple choice on the right side. What we want to do is we want to switch it to short answer right here on the very top of our drop down box. Right, so we will write please type your name, and then it gives the students the option to typing their name. So on our right side, it has a circle and an adding symbol, and that is where you can create another question. It also has different tools, but we'll go ahead and go into depth in another video. So we will click Add Question. So our first question is going to be, what is a hyperbole? So that's where you will ask your question that you want the students to answer. Option 1 is your answer choices. So option 1, I am going to give my first answer choice to my students. And where it says add option, that's where you give your second option, your second answer choice. You can stop right there, or you can add 4 multiple choice answer choices. Whatever you want to do, you can choose whatever you think fits your classroom and your students. But once you finish that, if you need to add more questions, go ahead and do that. But once you finish everything, you need to go ahead and send it to your students. The way you do that is going to the very top where it says send. You have the option of sending it to your students by email, or by Google, or by creating a link and sending it to maybe your Google Share with the students. I think that would be the best way to do it for your students. And I would do the shortened URL. So that's the way you would send it to your students, and after that you get the responses right on the top, it shows it by a summary and it shows by individual. So it's really good data for you as a teacher to receive. So this video was about creating a multiple choice exam by using Google Forms. And I want to say thank you to Google for creating these awesome tools for teachers to implement in their classroom and for their students as well. And Screencast-O-Matic for allowing me to create this awesome video on how to create an exam for everyone who needs this tutorial. Thank you.